Young adulthood is very important, and so this afternoon I want to look at the importance of adulthood, young adulthood. Young adulthood is the ages between 20 to 40 years. Those are the ones we call young adults. Now, what is the importance of this stage of life? It's a great milestone of life. This time is very important because this is the time people choose their careers. Secondly, it is the time they decide on family lifestyle. This is the time they decide if they want to marry. This is the time they decide if they want to live a single life. This is the time they think about parenthood. They think about being childless. Or they decide if they are going to be monogamous or polygamist. Is this time. It is also during this time when they establish networks of friends. They do evaluation of friends. They try to eliminate target friends, and they want to have genuine friends. This is the time they will be busy also with dating. And many times, this is also the time when there is a lot of challenges of heartbreaks and even a lot of discouragements which can lead some even to take their lives. So it is a very, very critical time to do a lot of evaluation because making a long move, it will affect their whole life. So it is very important. It is also the time when these people, young adults, they engage in leisure activities. And engaging in these leisure activities, many times they end up committing serious blunders. They are made during this time. During the time of leisure. And during this time, if they make certain mistakes, sometimes they will live to regret. It's also the time when they begin to invest their time in civic and community development. They feel they have to give back to the society. So it's a time of adventure, a time of a lot of excitement, a time of self-rediscovery. So, what am I trying to say? Please, for those young adults who are between 20 and 40 years, please, this is going to help you so that you don't make serious blunders in your life goals, both in your family life and even in your career goals and aspirations. Thank you very much. It's Mutiaru Kwabi, your family therapist and a relationship coach. Thank you.